So here guys, welcome back again to our channel. We are preparing our traditional snack. It's called mandazi. Yeah, so we are using 2.5 cups of water. We shall add 100 grams of baking powder in our water for kneading the mandazi dough, or for mixing the mandazi dough. Then we have a quarter kilograms of our sugar. We shall mix it well until the sugar dissolves in our water. It's Mirab. Mirab is the one going to cook for us the snack, that delicious village snack, basically known as mandazi. The Baganda call it echitumbua. The Swahili people call it kitumbua. Hey, we shall add 2 kilograms of the wheat flour. Here it is, 2 kgs pembe. We are using pembe. Tunafanyisha pembe ndio unga yetu ya chapati yenye tunaenda fanyisha wapenzi. So she will go ahead and start mixing the dough with the water and the ingredients that we added there. There we go. A village snack, and it's the children that mostly love eating this snack in the village. We shall knead it until it's well mixed. Guys, as you know, mandazi flour, we don't need the hard dough. The hard dough is for chapatis and other snacks. But when you are making our... So guys, no need to add oil at this point. Oil is only used during the frying of the mandazis. Watch the video to the end and you see how we simplify our things in the village. So guys, we are now going to cook our mandazi kitumbua. We have put our cooking oil on fire to first get hot before we start cooking the kitumbuas. So guys, we are starting to cook our traditional snack, mandazi. This is the dough. This is how the dough looks. Wow. Hey, ate bode habula. So guys, this is how we do cook our mandazi. Hope you see our village vitumbua. This is how we do. We dip it in the hot oil and that's the shape that comes out. Okay. Ashiri. Side. We have to change the other side also to cook. We are cooking the vitumbua. Vitumbua. So guys, our vitumbuas are ready here. Hope you see. Eh. Kale. Anachenda. Kale ramuno. So guys, we cook batch by batch until it's all done. Hope you see. Ready ones. Look. Wow. So guys, this is how Mirab, a 15-year-old girl in the village, does this work. She knows how to make mandazis, and these mandazis helps her sometimes when she sews. She buys some books for school and other basic needs that she deserves as a girl. Mandazi yanywa buto mungi. If you have watched to this point, thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe, share, like, and leave a sweet comment for your girl. Sure.